Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix Outlook inbox view suddenly changed. Open your Outlook app and you can see the modified view. To fix it, you will go to the View menu. There, click on Change View. You can see the various options available. The default view for Outlook is compact. Check the change. If you wish, click on Single to see its style, but you can leave compact, which is the default view in Outlook, to have the traditional view. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.